perfectly, slightly quartered away.
Okay, that sounds good to me. Okay, so Marty and I are discussing quick tip here on setting up mock scrape. So Marty's got the rake in his hand. We're actually going to start one for the deer. But this situation is unique because in the past we've had, for multiple years I've hunted here, we've had scrapes naturally created here, so we're not going to get carried away. You said no scent, right?
I mean, we could do pre-orbital
Okay.
in the branch, but
Okay, so we have a couple different things. If you don't have a good licking branch, which we do, so we got like a cedar tree behind us, natural licking branches. If you don't, we use this product here. And then what he's talking about with pre-orbital, I have that right in my pocket. Grab it real quick. And we get this product here. This is called Smokey's Deer Lure. And it is pre-orbital gland. What is that gland, by the way? You're the pro on this.
it's pre-orbitable.
Self-explanatory, but for
The pre-orbital gland that's right in front of the eye. So they're sitting there working like this and stuff, and they're putting that scent gland all over stuff. So
Okay, sounds good. So in this situation, because they naturally want to scrape here, we're not using any scent. We're just going to start it with the rake, so it appears that they've been hoofing it up.
Mm-hmm.
All right, it's about 20-yard shot from the stand that we just put up. What'd you say? 20?
I'd say so.
Back in there, you can barely see it. Yep, there we go. Kind of shadowy right there, but hey, that's what we want because it's going to be a good hidden spot. So there you go, a quick tip on making a mock scrape. Let's see what Marty's doing here. So he's just raking the ground, making it look like deers tore that up. That's all he's doing. So like we said, no scent on this one.
When they come in, they'll usually come to the licking branch. They'll be sitting there working on it. They'll work the dirt up, get down, do a little pee on it, work the branch again, and then move. So I'm just doing it from the angle that I'd want that deer to stop and be working this branch for the shot. Slightly quartered away, so you have better margin of error. You know it's going to come out a little bit more towards the front. And,
That's a great tip, man.
that's all we're doing.
Yep, love it. All right, stay tuned for more tips. Good job, man.